interrupt our regularly scheduled programming for a Channel 3 special report.
Good evening. I'm David Barrows. Jonathan Shaw is on assignment. What is certain is that this seemingly unexplainable mass hysteria continues to spread throughout the heartland, with injuries reported to be in the thousands.
David, the staff here says they haven't seen anything close to the sheer volume of casualties. Badly injured, very frightened people are pouring in, no exaggeration, by the hundreds. And we're told that most of the injuries are bites.
Hey, is that thing on yet?
Yep, it's on all right.
What are you reading?
Greater is the love of he who is willing to lay down his life for another.
Where's your God now?
Whatever. So, what are we gonna do now?
What do you mean, what do we do? We fight, of course. Fight them? There's more like 1,000 of those things. I don't know, seems pretty fair to me. I mean, all they got is numbers. And we, my friends, we've got brains.
Wait. Let me do this shit. You want us to fend off entire zombie invasion, get to a functional spaceship, and go to the Mars colony?
Yeah, and thereby fulfilling one and only Lord Elon Musk's dream.
Oh my god, you are insane, you know that?
I'm an insane man with insane plans, which, by the way, is gonna work if we use this up here, which is our brains. Get ready, boys. We float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Okay guys, so here's the plan. We have to distract those things. Asher and Hank. You have to get to that bench over there. Be sure at all times to maintain distance between them and you. They might seem slow, but if given the chance, they'll pop you like a can of soda.
We got this right?
We better get this. Oh shoot! I have to run.
Guys,
Okay.
yeah, man. Thank you so much. You guys are gonna let's go.
Oh, it's you. That out there was great, man. Let's just get to that launch pad. Guys, I think you better wait for me.
To the launch pad.
We need to find launch codes and a way to the launch pad.
Oh wait, the classic split the group into two plan. How original. So, it's clear what we do here. Me, Hank, and Asher, we go to the second floor to investigate, get the launch codes. Johnny, you stay here and look for zombies. Hey, I found a way into the launch pad and also found a gun. It'll come in handy. Great! We got the codes too. It's closed! Oh, Johnny! I said I found a way in, but turns out the door's locked. Hack it, bro.
Oh, was that supposed to happen?
No.
The one big. Oh, it's huge. Wait, where are you going?
I'm no leader, bro. You're the one.
Shut up, man. Leave him yourself. You've led us so far. How can you just leave us now? Just don't go, man. Come with us into the spaceship.
We don't become heroes by shooting lasers from our eyes or saving the world every day. We become heroes by standing up to our fears.
Come on.
Fight our fears for others. That's when we become heroes. And my man, I really think this is my moment.
Come on, man. You are the one who's been giving us a purpose all this while. You can't just abandon us now. Please, man, just come.
Don't. It's been a great journey with you, my friend. But you must carry on from here. I'll distract those things. Till then, get the stupid rocket started and get out of here. We have no other way.
What are you doing, man?
There's no other way. Let's get them! Ah!